mo sa OR. O ngayon, nagre-repair sila. From 5:02. Ikapasok tayo sa 5:02. Baho. Siglit. Ayan, di pa tapos. My gosh. Then, ito na, hello brother. See? Hindi pa tapos. Ano, kuya? Pero maganda na ang kwarto. Hello brother. See? Ganda ng flooring. Nakaputi na din. Ay, ako, lahat ng gamit na sa labas. Ang kalat-kalat. Sasasakit ako nito. Hello, brothers. Tingnan mo. Yung flooring na sila. Dami. Pinapaganda nila yung loob. Kasi malapit na daw ko ng GCI. Diba? Sa loob ng uran, kalat-kalat. Dito kami sa labas. Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
I did not forget, no? Nobody you might be the other day.
Kelly.
No, there's
And I told you there's some
during our on call, that very bad on call, no 3 PS.
you there.
I was on there. Yes, I saw it from here. So, did Jennifer come today? No. No, ma'am. Tomorrow again. She will come. After me. But I told her already that he did not give 5. He gave only 47 today. So we want 100 every day. No, even more than 100 we can do. You can finish. But I don't have this 5 days, almost 500, 600 files you can finish. Yeah. So why then? If there is help, they are ready to give all these files. But you know, last Thursday also, ma'am, they give only 30. Yesterday they give 100. Today they give 47.
Did you just? Supposed to ka dyan. Ang ganda ng pagka-post mo. Bagay.
But after that, it smells bad. Even here I can smell.
Ang ganda pa nag-post siya.
So videos. Yes, ma'am. We are telling them to clean today, but they are not allowing us. No.
They want tomorrow, ma'am.
We will use in 503 if they instructed to return all
Tomorrow morning, after 10.
So supposedly we will
So,
come
to us,
for
to 10 to
12. Tapos we will come Monday, no? Monday, no?
Holidays are getting low. Yes, ma'am.
No shopping. Maki pulos. No, but I see your name.
Ay, Escobar, ma'am.
Escobar.
We are putting only our name, but
Go out. Only try.
we are up to Panda only.
Panda, our favorite hangout.
Whatever you do, get only for food items to eat. That is enough.
Yes.
The rest of the things all you get in your country, so no need to buy from here. Yeah.
You're right, ma'am. What about what you bought in your country?
Really?
My husband, he doesn't like anything from here. We buy all the things from here.
Ah.
Because what we get is there.
Same
It's more durable than what we get
Ah.
here. Kim, come Kim.
Yun si Kim?
Kim. Good afternoon. Where are you going?
Favorite place, Panda.
Yes, these girls are calling you. Come.
She will
Yes.
ask him to buy something.
That's it.
Bakit
Okay. See you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Ano yan?
Bakit na yung halang? Wala ko eh. Salubong ko. Oo, nakalimutan ko nga eh. Kasi hindi ko... Ano yung sinasabi niyo?
Yung ginawa ko kahapon, ewan ko kung tama yung pinabasa ko niya, okay lang na okay lang.
Huh? Anong gagawin? Ano ang gagawin? Lahat yan?
Dumi ng OR. Ito na yung room. Dapat naman ito siya. No, sige, nandito. Napakadumi. Kuya? Ang galing nila. Hmm? Change nila lahat para sa duty.
Enlargement of the
Paano yun natin?
Gagawa ka ba ng incident report? Sabihin lang natin, inform natin na nagpunta tayo dito para mag-file sa Unfortunately, they did not give us enough files to finish what we are expecting. Thank you.
Okay.
O, isulat mo.
Great. Isulat mo daw yung sinabi niya. Sige na. Para meron tayong Unfortunately, lately, ano yun? Ulit niya.
Rewind.
Rewind. Okay.
Ikaw na lang, kayo na isulat mo.
Mas gusto ko yun sa'yo.
Sige na, Sarah.
Ayan na